So today we are going to see like what type of token we do have on LLM. It can be a ChatGPT, it can be Claude. So generally we have four types of token. One is input token. So the token sent to the model in the terms of prompt or any kind of query that we call the input token. And the output token, token which is generated by the model by the response that we call the output token. So generally we interact with the chat GPT and we ask some kind of question that is input token, and whatever my chat GPT or LLM respond on the basis of my input, that we call the output token. So there are or more tokens are there, which is cache token and reasoning token. So the cache token, so the previously processed input token, generally it is used by some API or maybe some LLM that we call a cache token. For example, if you ask one question from the ChatGPT and it has responded, but again you asking the second question, which is somehow reflecting to the first question. So what ChatGPT will do, it will read your first prompt, get the information, and it will take your second question and give it to LLM, and then LLM will do the processing. It will give you the output. So your first question, which is you have asked on your first time, that generally take as a cache token. And fourth is a reasoning token, some kind of question which is not very straightforward. So if you asking, let's plan my trip or let's plan my holiday on the chat GPT. So into the background, lot of computational token be used to certain reasoning to the model. So we'll see how generally it works, but there are four type of token. It is input, output, cache, and the reasoning. So very straightforward. You can see that I have I have asked one question. Tell me the capital of India. That generally we call input token. This information is going to the Chat GPT, and Chat GPT is giving some output of my question, and it is nothing but your New Delhi. Okay. So whatever input I have asked to the chat GPT, any question, any query, that is input token, it will go to the chat GPT, and the chat GPT will respond it, and in terms of word or some text, that we call a output token. For example, if I ask one question, tell me the capital of India, and successfully has given the answer, it is New Delhi. But now I'm asking my second question. I'm asking best place to visit. See, here I haven't asked where to visit. I am simply asking best place to visit. So on the basis of my first question, which is capital of India, nothing but a New Delhi, my chat GPT or my LLM will take both these two questions, and then it will give me output best place of to visit in New Delhi. It could be a Red Fort, it could be a India Gate, right? How it is giving? Because I'm not asking the question which place to visit in New Delhi, but I have asked in my first question, tell me the capital of India, it is New Delhi. Now best place to visit, so my LLM or AI will consider both the information, it will give me the response as a India Gate. So that is nothing but a cache input, right? So this is, I would say, a fourth token, but it will take four or three token from the first question, that is called cache token, and it will give me the output. So input token, output token, is it clear? And this information nothing but a cache token. Okay. So now let's see what is using token. Let's take example. I am asking my chat GPT, I am planning a bike trip from Delhi to Agra tomorrow. The forecast should be 38 degrees Celsius in Delhi and 33 in the Agra, and 70% chances of rain in the Mathura. It is good idea to leave at 6 a.m. or it is 2 p.m. So this is not very straightforward question to the chat GPT, right? This is my input. Okay. Now my chat GPT, what it will do? It will do some kind of reasoning. So it will compare the temperature. it will consider the rain probability, it will think about riding condition, and then it will give me the recommend the best departure time. So, right. So this is my input token, and obviously output token we will get. But to perform this entire activity, my LLM has to do some kind of reasoning, right? This also considers some token, okay? That is called a reasoning token. So it is my input, cache we have seen, plus reasoning token, and then it will give me a output, as this can be a perfect time or not, 6 a.m. is fine or my 2 p.m. is fine. Huh? To get this answer, my LLM has to do lots of reasoning. So that is called a reasoning token. So it is taking input token, it is taking reasoning token, it my ChatGPT analyzing each and everything, then it is generating my output. Okay. So let's see a few things with respect of ChatGPT how it is work. So when I'm asking any question, capital of India, it is my input token. Let me enter it. So it is generated through image also, and you can see the capital of India is New Delhi, and this is nothing but your output token, right? Okay, so I think this is clear. What is input token? What is output token? What is cache token? So let me ask, plan my trip simply. Okay, this time it has asked where are you going, where you're traveling, where to start from. But sometime because this is AI or LLM, it hallucinate. But sometime on the basis of your first question, it give you the answer. You have seen lot of time, right? So that generally take as a cache of my first question. Okay, and also few more important thing I want to tell you. We also have kind of a memory concept on with the chat GPT. If you want to see how and how the information generally your AI kept into a chat GPT, because if you're using chat GPT from long time, ChatGPT knows about yourself, about each and everything, your personal information, financial, because you're asking this kind of question from ChatGPT. So what generally do, ChatGPT capture all your information into your memory. So let me show you. You can go back and see with respect of your, you can give some kind of custom instruction about what you are, what you're looking for, some kind of nickname, right? So let's see that memories, right? If I click on manage button, maybe you go and try with your ChatGPT. That once you click on manage button, you will see this pop up. Right? In my case, I have very few limited word, but in your case, it will hold all your information with respect of your name, with respect to your qualification, with respect of your education, because this kind of question we generally ask from ChatGPT. So all about yourself, it keep in your memory, right? So now I will tell you, do one thing, go back again to ChatGPT and ask, tell me about myself, and then you will be surprised because ChatGPT knows each and everything. And how? Because of all the information it store on your memory storage. I think this is clear to everyone. What is input token, what is output token, and what is cache token, and what is reasoning token. Yeah, thank you.